So now this is Swadhin. Swadhin means a lover controlled by another. So Radharani controls Krishna. Radharani keeps her, or the gopi lover keeps Krishna close by herself and completely under control. She has pastimes with her lover in the water, in the forest, on the beach, in the mandala, picking flowers, and everywhere. This is the final and the 8th type of Nayika. And there's an example of Brinda Devi is speaking to Purnamasi. Purnamasi is Yogamaya. She arranges all the lilas and all the amazing pastimes and emotional exchanges and meetings and separations and all the different aspects and nuances of Krishna's Madhurya Leela and Vrindavan are all arranged. Who's going to meet who, when, and where, and how, and what circumstance, when Vipralamba will be there, when Sambhog will be there. Everything is arranged by Krishna's Yogamaya Shakti Purnamasi. And Brinda Devi works under, she's second downline from Purnamasi, and she's especially arranges she's like the stage manager. She arranges all the costumes and instruments and props for the divine drama of Krishna's loving pastimes with the gopis in the forest of Braj and kunjas of Braj. So she arranges for the parrots and birds to sing and the flowers to blossom and everything to be beautiful. But the actual Leela, Yoga, Maya, the energy of union, Yoga Maya, the energy of union means that what energy, what prem, what brings Radha and Krishna. They have, both Radha and Krishna have prem. Krishna is a prem Vishaya of Madhura Prem Vishaya, and Radharani is a prem Ashraya. So they both have unlimited prem and intense love for each other, selfless love. But what is the element, what is the energy that brings them together and unifies them and ensures that their pastimes flow beautifully and perfectly? She is Yogamaya. Brinda Devi she's just arranging, but a stage manager has a very important function, but not more important function than the person who's written and who wrote and directing the script of the play. Because without the script and without a play, the stage manager doesn't have much work to do. So the key element is the play, the players, the action, and the acts and the scenes, and the movements and the exchanges of love that are going to go on and being performed on the stage. In this case, the stage is the forests and kunjas of Vrindavan. So Brinda Devi is like the stage manager, and the choreographer and the script writer and director is Yogamaya.